Hi, my name is Tanay and I go to Lindbergh High School. Currently, I'm a rising sophomore. So for my project, I'm doing the Wall-E project. This project is going to display motions based on how close and how far something is. So for my first milestone, I got the ultrasonic sensor to project on the LCD how far something is. For this milestone, I achieved a lot more. So based off how far something is, it's going to project a certain motion on these LCDs, along with moving each of these servos right here. For example, this is going to be the right brow, this is going to be the left eyebrow, and this is going to be like the head, where you tilt up and down, left and right. So one thing that I had to do to get all this to work is that I had to make a method for each of the emotions based off how far something is. For example, I have something called a neutral method, a happy method, a surprise method. Each of these have their own LCD matrices, which I had to custom make. I also I also got the servos to adjust based off how close and how far something is in the method. I had to go and I did trial and error to exactly position where I want each of them to be. For these two servos, which are the eyebrows, I had to use the analog pins because I didn't have enough ports on the digital side. So one thing that I did enjoy was the servos and the wiring. I thought that this was it was pretty easy, and I got them to work really quickly, which I really enjoyed. One thing I did struggle with was the LED monitors. For this, I only got one to work, and the second one was kept lagging out. The second one, it didn't like reset, so I had to go back and then reset both of them. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get all this to go inside the box, and the LEDs are going to be the eyes, the ultrasonic sensor is going to be the mouth, and the LCD monitor, the ultrasonic sensor is going to be the nose, and the LCD monitor is going to be the mouth. Thank you for listening. So for this, we have the ultrasonic sensor, which if we go into surprise method, which is really close, it's going to move each of these servos and the eyes are going to have a surprise effect. Then if we go a little bit farther, it's going to go into a love effect, where it's also moving all of these servos. And then if you go even more farther, you go into a happy method. And if you go really far, it's just going to go into a neutral method. So on the LCD monitor, it's just going to print I am happy, because I want to have another modification where it says I am happy or I am angry. And then from there, you can like customize if you want to have it happy or angry.